Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to find the value of x when this exponent equation is given. 3 by 4 power is 2x plus 1, and we have to find the value of 3 by 4 cube and whole cube. So let's start with the today's video solution. So according to the rule of exponent, we have a property that x power m power n is equals to x power mn. So I'm going to replace the right hand side. So 3 by 4 power 2x plus 1 is equals to 3 by 4 power 9. Now we know that when bases are equal, their power are also equal. So 2x plus 1 is equals to 9. So I'm subtracting minus 1. So 2x plus 1 minus 1 is equals to 9 minus 1 to both sides. So 2x is equals to 8. Now I'm dividing by 2 with both sides. So 2x divided by 2 is equals to 8 by 2. So we eliminate it. So the value of x is 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.